Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can export high quality print ready PDF inside InDesign. There is a checklist to follow to create high quality print ready PDFs. Number one is document setup. Please keep in mind Adobe InDesign is created for print, and so the default setting for documents is in CMYK. So let's go for the document setup. For creating a document for print, the document setup is absolutely necessary. For your desired document size, you can go for print and select your paper size from available presets, or you can create your custom paper size. Set number of pages how you want it to have. The ideal number of pages should be in multiples of 4. For example, including cover and back cover, there should be number of pages should be in multiples of 4. For example, 16, 20, or on the lower side 8 or 12. If you are designing a document that should be folded from half, then check marks for facing pages should be checked. Column and column gutters can be set. These settings can be done afterwards. Set margins, these you can set it here, otherwise they can be set afterwards. Bleed is one of the most important settings. We can decide in the beginning or we can add it afterwards. The ideal number of bleed is 0.125 inches if you are working in inches. Click create. If done right, your document should look like this. So this is how you can set up your document for print. I have already created a design for this example, and let me open it first. And you can see that the design is ready and settings are finalized and design is already approved by the client. Now the second item in checklist, color swatches for document pages. Now the method of checking colors for the whole document is go to Swatches panel and look for 3-line icon on top right corner. Click select all unused. These are the colors that has been used in the document. You can delete these. If you look closer in the swatches panel, the colors that are in CMYK are showed by this icon, meaning these colors are fine. The icon with this color is referring to RGB. To change this color to CMYK, you just need to right click and find this color. When this color is selected, you can change this to white, create a new swatch, change this to CMYK, and this is white color, and click OK. Now replace this RGB color with CMYK, change all, click done. Now when you go to select all unused, then this color is selected, click, you can delete this one. So this is how you can filter or check the document color size, color swatches. Now for the master pages, if we have already created a master page, then this should be listed here. A master page is usually used for this page numbers. B size master page. Select this one and open layer panels. Color is in black, so there is nothing to change here. Now let's go to the next item. Pictures. You can see how many pictures have been attached by going to the links panel. There are many assets attached in this document. You can see that the color modes is shown to be as RGB. Now in order to produce CMYK PDF, we need to change this picture's color mode. To do that, we can either go to edit with in Photoshop. This picture will be opened in RGB. To change the color mode, go to image mode and CMYK. Click OK and then click save, and then you can close this image. Now you can see that image has been converted into CMYK. Now to do for all the images, now I am going to speed up the video while I make changes to the images. Let me relink these images. Now you can see that every image has been converted into CMYK. Now the type outline. In order to avoid errors in typo, if the printer need to access the InDesign file, it's better to outline the text before we send it to the printer. And the way you can do this is go to type and create outlines for all the text. Now only thing that is left to do is create an export for high quality print. For this you need to go to file and export. Select your location where you want to export, create this export. Select Adobe Print and click save. For most of the cases, creating a high quality print is good enough. Select your page range if you want to create specific sections of this document. Go to marks and bleeds, create crop marks and check this checkbox that says use document bleed settings, and that's it. Click create export. It will take some time. Once it's done, your print ready PDF has been exported. So there you go, your print ready PDF has been exported as pages. For spreads, let's create an export for spreads. Go to file, exports, keep all the settings as same. Click save. Now from pages, click spreads. And if you missed the last time, click registration marks and export. This is your document has been exported as print ready PDF in CMYK. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and ask any question if you have in the comment section below. Thank you.